Hi, boys and girls. For today's math lesson, you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, or if you're like me, you could use a whiteboard and a marker and an eraser. Okay, but whatever you have is perfectly fine. All right. So once you get that out, you pause me, and then once you get that out, you can unpause me, and you can show and you can participate in our math lesson for the day. All right. All right. Here we go, boys and girls. All right, here's the problem of the day. What number comes next? Let's look. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right, write down your answer. Did you get 33 like me? If you did, then you're right. Okay. Let's take a look at number 2. We can ignore number 1 for now. I'll put my face on it so you can't even see it. Okay. For number 2, what time does the clock show? So let's take a look. So that hour hand, that little hour hand is in between the 9 and the 10. It's actually halfway. So we say that this is going to be half past, what do you think? Half past 1, half past 3, half past 7, or half past 9. Go ahead and write this on your board. All right, if you said half past 9 like me, then you're right, because you say that because the minute hand is gone halfway around the clock and the hour hand is halfway past the 9. Super job, boys and girls. All right, so let's take a look. This is a digital clock, and we've talked a little bit about digital clocks so far in math. And we said we were talking about different places that you found digital clocks. You might find one on your mommy or daddy's phone, or on the television, or the little box under the television, or the microwave, or on the oven. Can you think of any other places where you might find a digital clock? Now, this digital clock says 5:30, but we could also say that it's halfway past the hour. What hour is it? Well, the hour is 5, so we could say it's half past 5 or 5:30. Let's do one of our tricks from the classroom. Mirror. This is half past 5 or 5:30. All right, good job, boys and girls. And that's just the digital way of looking at that, which is actually the easier way, but it's really important to know both. All right, so look at this. Frida has dance class at the time shown. Write the time on the digital clock. So we see that the hour hand is in between the 12 and the 1, okay? And then the minute hand is on the 6. So we know this means half past 12 o'clock because it's not quite at the 1. So I'm going to write that on my board. So it's half past 12. See how that's on my board? Or we could also say it is 12:30. You see, half past 12 or 12:30. Very good, boys and girls. And that is what you guys are going to be doing in math today. All right. Let me know if you have any other questions. All right. Bye-bye, boys and girls.